Rainlang is a smart contract language. So everybody knows about Solidity. Rainlang is another smart contract language. But the goal of Rainlang is to be DeFi native. So what do I mean by that? If you ever look at Solidity, most people haven't, but if you ever did, you'll see a lot of words that seem very crazy, like uint 256 and memory and storage and call data. And there's a whole bunch of words in that language which are about machine level concerns. So it's about dealing directly, almost directly with the EVM itself, this kind of world computer that we have. Lang is attempting to be at the DeFi level, not the machine level. So a word is set, S flare exchange rate. That inside that word is a whole bunch of Solidity that's actually happening in the background, but you don't have to worry about that. You just write S flare exchange rate. And it's the same for a whole bunch of stuff, like the same for using the FTSOs. You can just write FTSO current price ETH, and it will bring you the ETH price. Words for things like growth functions. So you could use them for like auctions, for example. So say you want to, in your strategy, you want to start at a high price and you want to slowly come down over time. There's a word for that. And so you don't have to write all of the inside logic. You can use the single word, set your start and your end and how long, and it will just do that auction for you. And so that's why we say Rainlang is DeFi native. But it's still all on chain. So we're also trying to create something that is permissionless to extend. So what that means is we want to have a world where this is an open source project. It's not like we're not trying to control all of the words that could exist. If someone had their own project or protocol and they want to add a word, so like say I added the S flare exchange rate word, but say you guys had wanted to add that, you would have to ask. Actually, it's permissionless. So you could say, hey, we want our community, some of our community using Raindex, and they want to get the S flare exchange rate into their strategies. So we're going to make a word and we're going to put that word on chain, and now anybody can use that word in their strategies. So we're trying to create an on-chain language that's permissionlessly extensible by anyone, that is at the level of DeFi.